Bohol, unsa ang kung nakaato na ka sa Bohol, unsa ang lugar ang pinakanindot para kanimo? Hello explorers and welcome to another vlog. It's Nat from the Traveling Foxes and today is another vlog here in Bohol. Galisod kog Bisaya kay wala man gud ko i-practice karon nagpuyo ko sa Manila. Akong Tagalog di sad kaayo ka maayo, akong Bisaya nag-fade na. Anyway, back in Anda, due to popular demand, no, it's not due to popular demand. If you have watched my previous vlogs, me and my family have some property here in Bohol, and we are not from Bohol, taga Cebu jud ko, and I am back here to visit my parents after the Christmas holidays. I didn't want to travel during Christmas or New Year kay daghan na kay tao, mahal na kay mga tickets para flights, para hotel, diba? So, karon, nibalik ko dire sa Anda to explore a little more, to show you guys a little bit more of this place. Since a lot of you who have seen my last Anda vlog have asked me, show us more about Anda, what's there to do, and I know a lot of people wanting to visit this side of Bohol. Kung dili mo kay bao asa dapit ang Anda, we are in the southeastern part of Bohol. So kung daghan kay tao na kay bao sala asa dapit ang Panglao. Like whenever people think of Bohol, they think of Panglao. Guys, there's so much more to Bohol than Panglao. Daghan na kay turista sa Panglao. So if you want to see something that's a little out of where everyone goes, it's Anda, and a few vlogs will give you reasons why you should visit. There's beautiful waterfalls, there's caves nearby. Those are the previous vlogs that I have shown. You can see the links to those vlogs in the description below. But yeah, for this video, I want to show you guys a bit of a resort tour. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm staying now. I am not staying with my parents for the mere reason that the property we have, naay koan ba? I almost said naay swine flu. Naay piggery dool ra sa among property. There's no hygiene in the way they made it, so the smell kind of comes and goes. So they mentioned that if me and Chris want to visit, it's better for us to book a resort. So that's what we did, because I'm not here fully on vacation, I'm also here to work. I don't want to be like annoyed trying to focus on working and then I'm like, sa muka ba ko kahigriw eh. It wasn't so bad when I visited my parents, but sometimes in the afternoon when the wind changes, you do smell the piggery. But anyway, today I am staying, well not today, for this trip, I am staying in Casa Amihan, and I want to show you guys around on the resorts in this area, starting with this one. If in case you want to stay here, if you want to book here, I'll tell you some ins and outs. Our room is facing the beach, but I want to start out with showing you a quick room tour. It's January 2024 and the cost of our room with tax it's 18,000 for 4 nights. Akong feeling, based on me traveling around the Philippines, feeling na ako, mahal na kayo gamay ang Anda. For me ha, because layo kayo ang Anda from everything else, right? Layo Russia from Tagbilaran. Maybe for you it might be cheap, but I find the price of this resort a little bit steep for the area that it's in. But obviously I also didn't want to stay in a dive resort with electric fan lang, so I want a bit of comfort, so obviously that's the reason why I stayed here. But I'll show you why I thought that this place is also nice. It's a nice place to book. So let's start out with the room tour. It might be a little bit messy, but it just got clean, so here it is. So for me, it's spacious enough and you got a great view. We are actually on the cliff side. I mean, you have a refrigerator, you have a nice bed, and the toilet's actually, ouch, I just banged my knee on the bed. Anyway, the toilet's actually quite spacious as well. I'm not gonna show you, my gosh, my bikini's all over the place. It's massive, can you see that? Yeah, so toilet's quite spacious. The room I find quite decent. You have coffee and tea. My one comment is that they give really thin blankets, but they were kind enough because we did tell them if they had a thicker blanket and they offered them one. So that's really good customer service for me. Let me show you the rest of the resort before we explore Anda Beach. Okay, so guys, mag-warning lang ko daan na this vlog will be Bislish, meaning it will be in Bisaya and English, as I'd want to practice as well my Bisaya, and since I am in Bohol, it may be good for those of you who don't speak Bisaya to learn maybe a few couple of words from this vlog. You have such great overlooking decks for you. This is a much bigger room beside me. You can see that there is a terrace in front of the room. Now let's head to the pool area and the restaurant as Cress is there waiting for me. Why'd you look so comfortable?
Not here.
What's really nice about this resort is it has a lot of overlooking points. There are 3. So far I noticed a lot of tourists here. Well, I've been here for 3 days already. They go out of the resort, so the resort's pretty peaceful and quiet if you want a nice and relaxing stay. Maybe a plus but also minus to some of you. This is not beachfront, this is cliffront, so straight to the water, and it's padung high tide na guys. So I want to visit the other side, the white sand part of Anda, so let's go and do that. There's an exit here, they said, which I haven't tried because we just drive in and out. We haven't really actually had time to explore the resort. What's good as well is they have kayaks for rent and you know, all that diving stuff. I think they can connect you if you're here for a diving trip. Yeah, really cute rooms, look. Okay, it's high tide now. I said in Bisaya earlier. Can you look at the map and find out where Anda White Beach is if it's walking? Because we could walk by the water. Doesn't look happy. We can drive, but I kind of want to have a look, you know, while it's sunset. It looks super perfect.
Walk in the water.
I want to walk in the water. He doesn't like my ideas. Beside us, there is Mabuhay, welcome, and willkommen. This is Flower Beach. That's my room. That's where I was vlogging from earlier. We couldn't figure it out because Cress's Google Maps isn't working. See, we're not far from the white sand. It's all white sand beside. We just need to go over this little crossing right there. If it's too far, we could always come back. If it's too deep.
Seen all the rocks.
Are you ready?
Seen my slippers.
Cress is so not happy with me now. He's like super grumpy.
I mean, am I ever happy with that?
He's like, I'm not scared of the depth. I'm scared of like, if it's rocky. I'm like, of course it's rocky. We're passing through cliffs.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, but I don't want to drive.
Oh, okay.
We could ride a tricycle on the way back. Did you bring money?
Nope. I don't have some.
Okay. There's a lot of structures here that must have been destroyed by the typhoons. Because it looks like maybe it was nice before, but look at this now. I wasn't wrong! I see white sand. Alright, it might look a bit small in the GoPro, but it's maybe another 100 meters from where I am right now. So around 200 meters of cliff rock, and then you reach a white sand area. I'm not sure if that's the main white sand area, but let's have a look. Okay, we have a bit of an obstacle course. Might be too deep. Is this too deep? No, it's up to my... It's like 5 inches above my knee. are from our hotel. So you can see some people think alike. We're getting there though, getting closer. Made it! And we are not wet, but this beach looks kind of small, so I'm not sure if it connects to the main beach. The fishermen are off to do their night fishing. This is the perfect example of the simple life. Kind of reminds you that, you know, you don't need to overcomplicate things. As long as you have food on the table, shelter, a loving family, then sometimes that's even more than enough, guys. Another crossing. We ain't there yet. But those expats that we crossed earlier, they didn't look wet, so I think we can do this unscathed and without having to wet our clothes. We're just having a cocktail here, but this is kind of on the white sand, right?
I think this is on the...
We'll just have a nice sunset session. So, yeah. I don't think I am going to be able to finish the whole Anda resort tour, so I will continue this tomorrow. So, bye for now, guys. That's it for part 1 of our Anda Resort adventure. Excited for more? Don't miss part 2 where I'll be sharing must-visit spots together with more resort tours. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to carry a piece of this adventure with you, check out our exclusive Traveling Foxes merch. From cozy sweaters and stylish t-shirts to mugs perfect for your morning coffee, there's something for everyone. Click the link in the description below to browse our collection and take home your very own piece of Traveling Foxes memorabilia. Your support means the world to us and helps keep our adventures going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.